Oh, we can have a problem now. Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a little princess walking along, and she was lost. And then,
Now the squirrel came out. Where are you off to, princess?
well, I'm off to my grandma's, but I got lost.
Where does your grandma live?
Well, since I'm lost, I don't really know, but if you go up to the paddock, she lives on the far side of the paddock.
Okay, I'm going over to the far side of the paddock.
And then a witch came. And the witch said, "Where are you off to?"
Well, I'm lost, but originally I was going to my grandma's.
And he goes up into the cave. And here comes a dragon. Where are you off to,
I'm off to my grandma's, but I'm lost. If you go to the kingdom's paddock, you might go to the far side of it from the castle, and you'll find her. Can you bring me there?
Yes, sure.
No, let's just pretend that they were crossing. Thank you.
That's okay.
And they'll
All
find
right.
everyone there. Okay, and pretend they're having and we'll say together, "Yay, the princess is here!"
Yay, the princess is here.
Yay, the princess is here.
Yay! Hello.
What are you doing?
Well, you know I'm going up to my grandma's.
Yeah. And do you want to hop on my back and I'll ride you there?
Yeah. Wee.
Yeah, and then the dragon goes on.
What are you doing? You're messing up the video.
And then the
Then she
dragon.
said hi to the cameraman.
Then we all walk away.
Apart from the princess, of course.
All the way back home.
Apart from the
Bye.
princess.
The end.